Good morning and welcome everybody to our channel One to Step where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log out from your Hotmail account. Now this video is about Hotmail, but you guys might be confused like why are you seeing Outlook on your screen? Well, for all you new people who do not know, Hotmail has been changed to Outlook. So if you guys used to have Hotmail account, if you enter that same login detail, you can log in into the Outlook account because Hotmail has been bought by Microsoft and changed into Outlook. Most people they did not know about this change, but now you guys know. If you guys are thinking this is not right, this is wrong, you can just search for Hotmail over here. So I'm just gonna search for Hotmail and it's gonna show me Outlook as the result because Hotmail was bought by Microsoft and now it's Outlook. So you don't have to get confused. So I hope you understand what this is. And basically logging out of Hotmail means logging out of Outlook now. So you gotta follow the step in order to log out from your Outlook, or in another word, your Hotmail. So don't get confused. Outlook and Hotmail are the same thing, alright? Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel once a step. Now let's move on with today's video. So first step, you want to, log in into your account because of course without logging into your account, you can't log out. I don't think I need to teach you how to log in into your Outlook account because you guys want to log out. So of course you know how to log in. So what you want to do is click on your profile over here. So I haven't uploaded any profile picture, that's why it's showing WK. But if you guys have uploaded a profile picture, it's going to show it. But if you guys have not, then it's going to show you whatever your username is. Once you click on it, there's going to be a sign out button. Just click on it. And basically, here you go. You just logged out from your Hotmail account, or in another word, your Outlook account. All right. So that's how we guys can log out from your Hotmail account. It's that simple. Just wait for some time. It might take a bit time. So yeah, you have. So hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One Step for future videos just like this. And it's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Peace out. Stay safe, everybody. And bye-bye.